So let's start with first question. Sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. You have to prove. So here we take LHS. So LHS sec a minus 1 and sec a plus 1. You just change sec a. So sec a we can say 1 by cos a minus 1 whole divide again sec a, change 1 by cos a plus 1. So what is the LCM? So here LCM cos a. So here 1 minus cos a. Again here also LCM cos a, and here 1 plus cos a. So this cos a cancel. So therefore 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Hence prove. 1 by tan a plus cot a, you have to prove cos a into sin a. So when you have tan and cot, you just change the tan sin a by cos a and cot cos a by sin a. So here I change LHS. My LHS you write here. LHS 1 by tan a plus cot a. Now 1 by tan a means sin a by cos a, and cot a means cos a by sin a. So here LCM is how much? 1 by, here LCM is sin a into cos a. Here sin square a, cos cancel to sin into sin square a, and sin cancel, cos into cos square a. So here 1 by, and sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 by sin a into cos a. That means 1 by sin a into cos a by 1, to 1 cancel. Similar thing, so sin a into cos a, that is your RHS. So here LHS we take tan a minus cot a. So tan a we can change sin a by cos a, and cot a we can change cos a by sin a. Okay, tan a we can change sin a by cos a, and cos a we can change cos a by sin a. Now what is your LCM? So LCM is sin a into cos a. So here cos cancel, to sin square a, and here cos sin cancel, to cos square a. So this is in the form sin square a minus cos square a, that is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So that is a plus b and a minus b. So here you use sin a plus cos a and sin a minus cos a, that is a square minus b square algebraic expression by sin a into cos a. Clear? What I use? Algebraic expression a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what? A plus b and a minus b. Okay, we can use like this, or we can change it. Why? Because my RHS is 1 minus 2 cos square. That means this expression is a square minus b square we cannot use. Okay, that's why I write the wrong way, to understand that if I go this way then we cannot find the RHS. Okay, so always you solve in that way where your RHS is what? What is the demand of RHS? We are going according to that way. So we cannot use a square minus b square. Okay, so what you use? So you use, see here sin a into cos a, and have to make 2 cos square a. So here sin square a means what? 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A and minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A by sin A into cos A. So 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A, that is 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A into cos A, that is your required RHS. Proved. To the power 4A minus cos to the power 4A, that is your LHS, and you have to prove the right RHS, that is 2 sin square A minus 1. So sin to the power 4A we can write like this, sin square A to the power whole square and cos square A to the power whole square. Here we use A square minus B square. So that means one time it is sin square A plus cos square A plus B, and one time that is sin square A minus cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 into, we have to make 2 sin square A, that's why I change cos square A. So here it is sin square A minus cos square A means 1 minus sin square A. So 1 no need to write, here sin square A minus 1 and minus minus plus sin square A. So that is 2 sin square A minus 1, that is your RHS. So A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. This is A minus B form I explained, plus this is A plus B whole square. So A square B square plus 2 into 1 into 10A. Okay. So this is your 1 plus 10 square A minus 2 10A plus 1 plus 10 square A plus 2 10A plus 2 10A minus 2 10A cancel, 1 plus 1 2 and 10 square A 10 square A 2 10 square A. Here you take common 2, so here you have 2 1 plus 10 square A, and 1 plus 10 square A we can say sec square A. So 1 plus 10 square A we can say sec square A. So 2 sec square A, that is your RHS. One more question, cosec to the power 4A minus cosec square A is equal to cot to the power 4A plus cot square A. You have to prove. So in this case we do like this, and it is very simple, that first I find the value of this LHS, again we find the value of RHS. If the both values are same, then both are equal. So there are LHS and RHS are equal. So we take LHS first. So LHS cosec to the power 4 minus cosec square A. Right. Cosec to the power 4A minus cosec square A. Here you can take cosec square A common. So you have cosec square A minus 1. Okay. Now you take RHS. Now you take RHS, cot to the power 4 A plus cot square A. Here you take cot square A common. So here cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1. Now cot square A and cot square A plus 1. Here I take cot square A as a common. So cot square A we can say cosec square A minus 1 according to identity, and cot square A plus 1 is what? Cosec square A. So here same thing has happened, cosec square A whole cosec square A minus 1. So here this is RHS, value of RHS, and this is value of LHS. Both LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. One next question, sec a whole 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a is equal to 1. So I have to solve and if find the value 1, then that LHS and RHS both are equal. So take LHS, this one LHS. So I just change sec 1 by cos. Sec a we can say 1 by cos a. 1 minus sin a we write, and again sec a is what? 1 by cos a, and tan a, that is sin a by cos a. Okay. So here 1 by cos a you write, 1 minus sin a, and this one LCM cos a. So here 1 plus sin a. Clear? We just write sec a, change 1 by cos a, 1 minus sin a similar. Sec a again change 1 by cos a, and tan a I change sin a by cos a. So we can say this one 1 minus sin a by cos a, and this one 1 plus sin a by cos a. So that is what? A minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square by cos into cos, cos square a. So that is 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. 1 minus sin square a we can say cos square a according to identity, and here by cos square a. So this also cancel, 1 cancel, and it is 1. So that is your RHS. One more question, sec square a plus cosec square a is equal to sec square a into cosec square a. So let's take LHS again. Sec square a plus cosec square a. Sec square 1 by cos square a is sec square a. 1 by cos square a is sec square a, and cosec square a is what? 1 by sin square a. Okay. So what is the LCM? Sin square a into cos square a, that is the LCM. Cos square cancel, so sin square a, and sin square cancel, so cos square a. So sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So here sin square a into cos square a, we can say 1 by sin square a into 1 by cos square a, same thing. So 1 by sin square is what? 1 by sin square a is cosec square a, and 1 by cos square a is equal to what? Sec square a. So that is your required RHS, sec square a into cos square a, here cos square a into sec square a, same thing. So that is your RHS. One more question, 1 plus tan square a whole cot a by cosec square a, and you have to prove that is equal to tan a. So which one is complicated, this one or this one? This one is complicated, only tan a is given. What I do? I don't know, but here we can change. So that's why again I take LHS. So LHS 1 plus tan square a into cot a by cosec square a. So 1 plus tan square a we can write sec square a into cot a by cosec square a. First I change only the 1 plus tan square a. So 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. Okay. Sec square a we can change 1 by cos square a into cot a by cosec square a. Okay. Step by step I change. Here this cosec square a I can change 1 by sin square a. Clear? And here this cot I can change sin by cos, tan, so cos by sin, cos square a by sin square a. So here cot a, so that is cos a by sin a, cos a by sin a. Simple. So in upward it is looking like this, cos A by sin A into cos square A, cos square A, yes, and by, that is divide 1 by sin square A. Tell. The question is 1 plus tan square A into cot A by 1 by cosec square A. So 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. I simply change one part into cot A by cosec square A. This cot A we can say cos A by sin A, change, and this cosec square A we can say 1 by sin square A. So 1 into cos A is cos A, cos square into sin A, I write just like this, and this one is divide, so I have divide sign. So now it is reciprocal. So this is cos A by sin A into cos square A, sin A into cos square A, and this one into sin square A by 1. So let's see, cos A and cos square A cut, so 1 cos A is remaining here, and sin A and sin square A cut, so 1 sin A is remaining here. So that means sin A by cos A, and sin A by cos A is known as tan A. So that is your RHS. So like this we solve. In my next video I again solve 10 questions. Okay.